Hey guys, this is me Ammar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to design a single channel relay module, and this is going to be your step-by-step tutorial, so just be patient with me and you will get all the engineering file of this PCB. Link is in the description. So let's get started. Click on File, New Project, and we will name this project as Single Channel Relay. Now project is created. We have two files, schematic and PCB. We will double click on schematic. After opening the schematic, we will fill the basic information in the schematic sheet. So for that, we will go in file, page setting. After filling the information, hit OK. Now you can see the basic information is already filled in the sheet. We will start adding the components. So for adding the components, you can use the shortcut key A, or you can just click here. We will search here resistor, R for resistor. We will add here a relay. Double click on it. We will add a transistor. We will add a diode. LED, connector, terminal block, now we have added all the component. We need few more resistors. So for adding more resistor, you can use the shortcut key A, or you can click here. Otherwise you have another option, which is duplicating the component. So for that, what you can do, just select the component, use shortcut key Ctrl+D. So I will need 3 resistors, so Ctrl+D again. So now I have 3 resistors. So in this way you can duplicate the components in KiCad. After adding the components, let's arrange the devices and connectors so that we can wire it up. After arranging the component, we will wire it up. So for wiring, you can use the shortcut key W, or you can just go here and you can wire it up in this way. We will add few nets. So for adding the nets and power symbols, you have to click here and we will search here 5 volt. We will add ground. This is our signal pin from where you can connect the microcontroller input. So for that, we can add a net label here. So for adding the net label, you can click here. Now let's update the value of these resistors. So for updating the value, just double click on the device. Assign the footprint. We will first assign the footprint. So we will go in LED SMD, and we will select the package 0603. Then we have connector pin header 2.54 mm. Double click on it. Then we have terminal block. So for that, we will go in terminal block and we will select this one. Then we have 3 resistors. So I will select first one by pressing shift button, and the last one. In this way you can select all the devices. We will go in resistor SMD and we will select the same package 0603. Alright, after assigning the footprint, you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+S, or you can just click here. Alright, once you assign the footprint, your schematic and footprint assignment is done. Now we will go for the layout design. So for designing the layout, you have to double click here, switch to PCB editor. Alright, once you open the layout editor, you cannot find any device. So for that, you have to import the devices from schematic. So click here, update PCB from schematic, update PCB, hit close. Now as you can see, all the components are here. Okay, I will turn off FFab layer so that we can avoid those letters. Okay, now we will design the board outline for this board. So the board outline for this board is about 38 by 26 mm. So make sure to keep your grid on 1 mm and select the edge cut layer. draw rectangle, and we will create it about 38 by 26. All right, now we will arrange all these components into this box. Select the component and left click on the mouse, place it here and there. And for precise control over device, make sure to keep the grid size low. I have to keep this 5V this side and this ground this side, so now we have to update the schematic again. So for that I will double click here and I will update the schematic. So for that, what I will do, I will delete this net and delete this net. I will select this connector and I'll just mirror it vertically. All right, now pin number 3 is on the top and 1 is on the bottom. So again I will wire it up. All right, hit Ctrl+S, open layout editor, update it again. Now you can see 5V is on the top and ground is on the bottom side. All right, now component placement is done. I don't want this J1 here, so I will hide it. So for hiding this designator, we will select this J1, press E on the reference J1, just unclick this, hit OK. Now it's gone. So in this way you can hide any designator also. So now we will create 4 holes on the 4 corner, make the grid size about 0.5 mm, and we will make here, all right, similarly 1 mm hole everywhere. Ctrl+D. In this way you can make the screw hole. All right, so for designing the tracks, you have to go here and we have to update the value of the track size. Otherwise, if you just select the by default, it's very thin. We need our own custom size. So I will add my own dimension. So for that, just click here, track use net width and edit predefined sizes. And we will add here 0.3 mm and 1.5 mm. All right, just hit OK. Or you can also add 2 mm for the AC signal. So I will add 2 mm. All right, so now this PCB is going to be double layer PCB. So for that, I will just select the bottom copper layer and I will click here, route signal. Make sure to select the bottom copper layer from here in the layers. I'm sorry, we have to choose the size. All right, now we will add some text on this PCB. So for adding the text, you have to select the front silk screen and then you have to click here, draw text. All right, so I will write here Ampnics and I will make it bold. I will use a different font for it. Notation for this header pins, so we will utilize text tool again and we will write here. To place these text on the bottom side, so first we will select these text and I will arrange it properly. We have common in the mid, normally closed on the top. So all right, I will align them by pressing shift button. I will select all of them, right click on it, align and align to right, and right click again, change side, flip. All right, and now you can place it here like this. All right, so NC stand for normally closed, C for common and normally open. In this way you can put the text tool on the bottom side. For adding logos, I will go here and I will search here logo double click on it, and I will place this logo on the bottom side. So select this logo, right click and change side and flip. So I will place it here. Everything is done. If I turn on the 3D model, you can see this is how our PCB look like. And there is one thing is missing, the 3D model of this terminal block, so we will update it. So for updating 3D model of any component, just select the component, press E and go in 3D model, click on this plus icon and click on this file icon, just add the 3D model. You can download it 3D model from external sources like SnapEDA, Ultra Librarian or KiCad. And if you don't know how to update it, I will put a link in the description, you can check it from there. This is how our relay module look like.